kepha usenomisisha elithuba lamisisha ngoba sisi ilibane ba notice ba kune lack of ingathi yaphela i-oil i-risk yophela i-oil so uspende ixesha jonga ngoba ingakanani ixesha olispendileyo uthi ngoku sekumele bangongo kuba wena awulazi lesifana le lokuthi wayifiye iyakugayida into uma ungabikho careless bethanda don't be careless ngexesha olifumene ixesha necessary losikuyo kwi-kingdom of God everything ihamba according to ixesha ikwenza moyazile le nto nakuthiwa kuyilona the day wadla lulusuku mhla wafangana as much as wabhubhele 940 wafa within a day Nyala wafa within a day but what bamthonga ukwenza usweleke na 940 ngoba iminyaka eliwaka lusuku lunye within that day wabuyemuka ikubanga ungabikho careless in fear of the Lord ikubanga ko careless kubungalazi lixa you can't be careless Terry umyeni wethu yes nabe simandisesha umyeni wethu yes umyeni wethu yes Because I pray that God can explain the way to yes. Yangasikhathi ifika afike sibuli dile. Uthona uyole lo mkhonzi inkosi yakhe yathi mayifika ifike ibulindile. Noyole lo mkhonzi. Ngabe inkosi yakhe ifike imlindile. Khona nokuthiwa ukulinda uJesu wathi ngoba babonisa wathi a way of waiting is a way of prayer. About to just go and tarry in Jerusalem. Abazali bafika ngathi indaba. Ikipa they went one accord. But when we fika kumule phezulu they did nothing else but they prayed. Since that day uJesu wathi kubo ngayo hambani yokulinda Jerusalem. They are waiting. Well, what was church? They are waiting. Well, what volume they are waiting was the level of prayer. They stayed in prayer, not where else. But they prayed, and as they prayed, into last sense and out in the right time. That the mantle of Jesus was about to be released. There's something on us until you come to the church, you come to the pressure that you put in your prayer. It's harder. Oh, but you are not ordinary. But in a certain time, now you're into with level of waiting. How long will you wait? How long? You need a prayer grace. You need another measure. You need another measure. Can you pray for